Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your likes on X to protect your privacy. Let's dive in. First, open your X account on your phone or visit the website on your computer. This method works universally across all devices. Next, head over to your profile and click the Likes tab. Remember, anyone visiting your profile can see the tweets you've liked. This includes the tweets from the official X account. There are two methods to hide your likes. One is to make account private. On your timeline, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Privacy and Safety, then select Audience and Tagging. Next, turn on to protect your tweets. By doing this, only your followers can see your liked tweets. However, keep in mind that your followers will still have the access to this information. The method 2 is to create a separate account. If you want to complete anonymity for your likes, consider creating a separate account. Here's how. On your timeline, tap the icon with the three-dot sign. Then select the Create New Account. Set up an additional Twitter account that's not linked to your main identity. With this account, you can tweet anonymously without affecting the visibility of your primary profile. By following these steps, you can better manage who see the tweets you've liked, giving you more control to your online activity. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!